अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी. वी आर हेयर विद हानिया आमिर, द स्टार कास्ट ऑफ परवाज़ जुनून, जिन्होंने अपनी मूवी में भी रिसेंटली कहा है कि हम हवा के
जांबाज सिपाही हैं, किसी से नहीं डरते.
किसी से नहीं डरती हैं वाकई. सो हानिया, वॉक अस थ्रू योर कैरेक्टर इन परवाज़ जुनून.
Oh my god, I've done this so many times. Okay.
I mean, मतलब the best part about your character.
I think it's just how fearless she is. I mean, fearless in a way. I think this character is gonna really put it out there that please don't let men dictate.
Dictate.
You
Okay.
know, it's actually gonna put it out there that you're whatever profession you're choosing. If you're a man, does not mean you're gonna excel at it. You're a woman, it doesn't mean you're gonna be really good at it. It does not mean that. It's gender neutral. So I think that's one thing I really like about this character, that you know she has this whole journey from conquering her fears, from being a scaredy cat, right?
Okay.
So I really like that about her.
And how is Parvaz Junoon's character actually related to Hania in real life?
I think वो क्योंकि I think जब एक cadet life होती है ना, वो I think that's how it is. Like you learn through your experiences, and she also does, and I also have. So it's just a normal girl. Like I keep saying like कैसे आप relate करती हैं वो. I relate at every step of the way because she's a normal girl, right?
Yeah.
She's not a superhero. She's not anything like that. She's just a normal girl who's dealing with the issues the way everybody
is dealing at the moment. Yeah. Okay, so Hania, how have been promotions going so far? I mean, you must be very tired. There are a lot of fans who meet you on daily basis, and
yeah, I am. Yeah. I am very tired, but I mean, I remember yesterday we went to Emporium, I think. Packages later on.
Yeah.
Went no.
Emporium to
later on. No, we did go to Emporium.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think, and then later we went to Packages as well. The crowd was insane.
Oh.
It was insane, and promotions pe you're tired. And I remember it was me who was sleeping in the office, and I was like, yo, I think I'm gonna die, hum marne wale hain. But then the moment we stepped out and the crowd was going crazy, and they show so much love कि तुम्हारा ये हो जाते हैं. All the pictures
that makes you proactive.
Yeah, all the pictures from yesterday were all like so active. So I think that's the best part. You get to meet these people. They tell you such nice things, the dramas they like, the scenes they like, the way we acting in a certain film. So I think that's what makes it. That's the best part.
Best part. Okay, what is your one favorite memory from Parvaz Junoon?
Favorite memory for Parvaz?
कुछ बहुत फनी और ऐसा हुआ हो जो अभी तक आप सोचे हो, you end up laughing के okay.
Funny तो खैर बहुत चीज़ें होती थी, especially when we were doing the cadet scenes, जिसमें शफात और सबीना और रेचल और मुस्तफ़ा सिकंदर आहद हम लोग सारे होते थे. तो वो तो रोज़ ही because we just chill in one room all day, और वो सारा एक होता था, and we were together for a very long time. हमजा के साथ अलग scenes थे. So that was great. I really liked that part. उसके अलावा what I remember is that there was this one scene in the cockpit, and I had to do nothing. I just had to give a look, and that's it. I didn't have to say anything. The camera just pans, and I'll give a look. And I don't know what magic it was. It's in the trailer as well. And we did एक shot हुआ, उन्होंने कहा हाँ ऐसे करना, इसको ऐसे इसी को exaggerate कर देगा, ठीक है. And then the second time, people started clapping. I was like, what did I do?
That look?
Yeah, it was just a look. And I still remember that. I was like, oh my god.
We need to watch that magical look though.
Yeah, I don't want to exaggerate, you know. I don't want to get your hopes up.
But I'm sure अगर इतना अच्छा हमें पता चल रहा है तो I'm sure the movie will be brilliant. Okay, so Hania, you recently wrote about the harassment case.
Yes.
Would you like to explain a bit, because I think this need to be told to a lot of people out there. Okay, this is wrong.
You know what hurts the most is that because of one person who's put you off, you get so many messages, so many comments saying आप तो off थी, आपका तो mood ही खराब था, I wish I had never seen you like this. You know, I have comments वो कहते हैं
she has a life too. Just saying.
Yeah, I mean वो आपका mood खराब हो जाता है ना. And also the thing is that you go out there just because you love them so much.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm promoting my film, but it's my choice. You know, people say no. They don't want to go. They don't want to go in a mob. But people who love going there, who love these people, who love our fans, our followers, we like to see them, right? We want to go there, interact with them. And then when I specifically wrote that men disguised as fans, they try to feel you up. That's messed up. Because we're going there just out of love, and I'm being harassed, and I think people don't talk about this openly because they think that celebrity to immune hai. Just because I have a certain number of followers, main immune hu. I have no emotions, I cannot get angry. So yeah,
you need to learn these things, everybody listening to Hania right now. Hania, so we're just ending this boring conversation, moving on to the rapid fire. So what do you know, who do you know that really reminds you of a character, of your character? Okay?
My character?
How would you relate to this character? If I say the following, so what would you say? कि अच्छा ये character, अच्छा okay, it's like Hania, I can relate to this character. Okay,
you're gonna give me options and I'm gonna say
you're gonna choose one of them.
Oh, okay.
Batman.
No.
Wonder Woman.
Yes.
Bugs Bunny.
Yeah. We have a kangaroo in there because people keep saying if I had a spirit animal, I'd be kangaroo.
I feel like it will be Bugs Bunny, maybe. Okay. So, if you were arrested with no explanation, what would your friends and family assume you had done?
कुछ कह दिया होगा मैंने. I just said out loud. मुझे जब कोई unjust चीज़ हो रही होती है, मैं खुल के बोल देती हूँ.
अच्छा. Okay. How would you react if a male co-star hit on you?
Hit on me?
You'll make fun?
I have made fun of them. I've laughed. But, yeah. मैं बस हंस पड़ गया. Loser.
Best reaction.
Yeah, I can get away with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one word, okay? One word for the people. Fawad Khan?
Great.
Imran Khan?
नया पाकिस्तान.
Ali Rahman?
Ali Rahman. Daniel.
Usman Khalid Butt?
Usman Khalid. Obi. नहीं.
Obi.
Obi. Sweetheart.
Urva Hussain?
Oh, she's also a good singer. I think I like her style sense.
Kubra?
Love.
Mevish?
Great actor.
Hamza?
Imran Khan.
Okay, choose Daniel or Ali. Daniel Zafar or Ali Zafar?
Daniel.
Ahad Raza Mir or Hamza Ali Abbasi?
Ahad Raza Mir.
Mawra Hussain or Urwa Hussain?
Maybe Mawra.
Yeah. Okay. Farhan Saeed or Atif Aslam?
Atif Aslam, because I spent a lot of time with him. I had to practice with him and he was too kind.
Yeah. Shah Rukh Khan or Imran Khan?
Huh?
Shah Rukh Khan, the SRK, या अपना Prime Minister Imran Khan?
Yeah, मतलब of course Imran Khan. मतलब
wow, मतलब check करें patriotism.
Prime Minister यार क्या चाहती हो? मैं क्या करूँ?
अच्छा जी. If you found the following people's phone, who would be the last dial number on? Just assume.
Okay.
ठीक है? हाँ. Mawra.
Urwa.
Sabaa Qamar.
Sabaa Qamar. Asif Hussain.
Yasir Hussain.
I saw them together. Yasir Hussain. That actress. Amna Ilyas.
Mahira Khan.
Mahira Khan. I don't know, talking to her son.
Aslan.
Yeah.
Aisha Khan. Her husband.
Husband.
Kubra Khan.
Me.
Hani.
Or her mother.
Best friend.
Her mother.
Okay, rank in order preference based on their acting ability. Mean है. Skip कर दो.
नहीं कर लो.
चलो ठीक है. मावरा हुसैन, माया अली और बिलाल अशरफ.
हैं? माया अली, मावरा हुसैन और बिलाल अशरफ.
नहीं मावरा. मावरा.
हाँ.
माया और बिलाल.
तो
तीनों सेंसेशन है ना आजकल. तीफा देखिए आपने? आई एम श्योर. सॉरी. अच्छा अब भी हम लाइव जा रहे हैं, बहुत बुरी बात है, मुझे ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए
जी.
A piece of advice you wish you've got 10 years ago.
Nothing. I believe you learn from every experience.
Okay, one of your favorite dialogue from any of your project.
from Janan. अब ऐसी शक्ल कौन resist कर सकता है भाई?
Cute. Okay, so Hania, we're ending it here. It was pleasure talking to you. It was fun, and I hope you had fun too. Go watch Parwaz-e-Junoon releasing on Eid al-Adha. Any message for the fans?
I'm just so full of. I feel like I'm gonna cry.
Don't, because I posted it that I'm going to go live with Hania Amir in a while. So I got a lot of love comments from people asking you questions that Hania, what is your next project? Who are you going to be?
Why are you asking those questions?
Should we?
Sure, why not?
Okay, let's move on to that.
Guys, we have been talking for a month on the phone only. For a month, for a year.
For a year, on the phone only, yeah. You need to listen to that.
It's just that I come to Lahore for a day or two and she wants to interview me, and when I'm on the flight, she says, let's do it. I'm like, no, we can't do it.
And she always tells me that I'm on a flight now.
Yeah, oh. Dirty, Sapphire's gonna kill me.
Okay. अच्छा जी, आपके लिए मैसेज, आपके लिए कमेंट आया है, आए हयात किसी का किल मेरी डेट, दानियाल आहद हमजा
किल
मेरी
डेट किल हमजा डेट आहद मैरी दानियाल.
Okay. Hania, your working experience with Hamza, did you feel intimidated, nervous at any point with him? Or phonetic? ने पूछा ये. No, she was not nervous at all.
Nobody can make me nervous except for Asif Raza Mir. I was so nervous around him.
I told this कि वो बहुत starstruck. Okay, who was the most hilarious person on set? Hania?
Me.
Okay. Okay, Hania, any upcoming projects for the fans?
I'm still deciding.
She's still deciding. Okay, are you a biryani lover or pilao lover?
Biryani.
What is your favorite restaurant?
Aha does not like biryani.
Yeah, he just told us.
He's weird. It's weird. अब Aha के सारे fans आ जाएंगे
और लड़ाई करेंगे. Okay, what is your favorite restaurant in Islamabad? Kanoli. If you want to catch Hania, you can go there. Who used to crack jokes on the sets?
Everybody.
Ask Hania to tell some lame joke of Hamza.
Oh, okay. Oh, I think उनको पता है already, इसलिए वो पूछ रहे हैं. Okay, so I'll give you an example. बेबी को एयरफोर्स फिल्म में काम क्यों करना था?
बहुत लेम जोक था.
क्यों करना था बताओ ना.
आपको?
हाँ बता, मतलब हाँ, बेबी को एयरफोर्स की फिल्म में काम क्यों करना था?
Because you wanted to do this.
क्योंकि बेबी को बेस पसंद.
Oh my god! Seriously?
Yes, these are the lame jokes. I have another one. बेबी को अपने सैंडविच में केचप क्यों नहीं पसंद है?
क्यों नहीं पसंद है?
क्योंकि बेबी को मेयोनेज़ पसंद है. Okay. Yeah, that was the lameness on set.
How do you feel about the competition of films releasing on this?
Oh, there's no competition. What competition? आप सारी फिल्में देखने जाएं यार. मैं भी देखने जाऊँगी. Because and also the good part is that it's gonna be a treat for fans, for all the people who are gonna come watch the film, because they'll have a choice. Because all the films are of different genre. So I think that's great.
Somebody asked, Hania, can you please show your last weird selfie in your phone?
वो ले गए मेरा. Here. Last weird selfie. है मेरा फोन पड़ा हुआ. हाँ तो दे दें. क्या हो गया? बोल क्यों नहीं रहे?
I don't know. I'm saying.
What?
Do you want it or not?
Just say whatever you want to say. It's a free word. Happy Independence Day. Oh, right here. It's me and Babar.
Ah,
Just today.
you guys can see it.
Yeah. Huh.
Okay, Hania, your favorite most project you've ever done?
मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं ज़्यादा.
यार
मैंने कुछ किया नहीं. मैं तो अभी
बहुत honest है यार ये लड़की. बहुत honest है.
I think I really like मुझे जीना दो. I think yeah, I really like मुझे जीना दो.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song these days? तिले वाले जुत्तियां जो सूटे अरमान.
Can you sing?
No.
You sing really well.
I just did it. That's it. I charge money.
हानिया आप मेरा नाम बोल दें हिफ्जा अली लाइव सेव हो जाएगी.
What's up, Hifza Ali?
आपने गाइड क्वेश्चंस पढ़े so I'm just
Sure, why not?
Okay. Hania, when will you go live
I just am.
on your page? Maybe they're asking this.
I can't do it. I'm very sad these days, guys. I can't do it.
Any best memory of Parvaz Junoon BTS?
BTS.
Yeah.
हमजा ने मुझे बाइक से गिरा दिया था.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
और चोट लगी?
मरी एक्सप्रेस वे पे. हाँ, आगे मोबिल ऑयल था और हम गिर गए थे. उन्होंने नहीं गिराया था, गिर गए थे, मतलब वही. वही बात.
How is Ahad actually in real life, Hani?
Ahad has the lamest humor and somehow हम connect भी कर जाते हैं humor पे. Recently we just दरवाज़ा बंद कर दी क्या हो रहा है? अच्छा. Recently अच्छा BTS खैर एक और इंसिडेंट है. अभी रिसेंटली मैं और आहर जो हैं एक फ़्लाइट पे आ रहे थे और हमने बहुत सारे लेम जोक्स किए. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम बस सोचते हैं और बातें करते हैं. तो he actually discovered that I have a Pokemon inside me और उसका नाम है मामा.
Okay, so we know
Please ask
Mama
him
now.
about this now.
Yeah, okay, sure, done. Ask Hania why you're so childish.
I'm 21 years old.
She just
I'm
disclosed
not
it before the
childish.
interview.
Do you actually listen to my interviews? I talk about the world, how to make it better. Guys.
Way more mature than her age.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're ending it. Bye. Thank you. Bye bye.